Diagnostic ultrasound gives you the ability to look under the skin of your patients to diagnose the structure which is causing them their pain.
We believe at Complete that diagnosis is absolute key, and that's why we've incorporated diagnostic ultrasound into our practice, so we can get the right diagnosis as soon as possible to ensure that you get the right treatment as quick as possible. At Complete, all of our injections are carried out under ultrasound guidance. The most important reason for this is to ensure the accuracy of the injection. We know that if you don't use guidance for your injections, that a lot of the injections are not very accurate. And here at Complete, we also strongly believe that this means we can also get a more effective treatment. The injections can last for longer. And as a result of that, that gives you a great opportunity to really engage in your rehabilitation. And it's that package of care that we feel is really, really important to get the best results.
Diagnostic ultrasound is extremely useful for any new injury or any injury that has been niggling for a long time, to provide a really detailed view of the structure, so the ligament or muscle or tendon that is potentially causing that problem. Allows us to take a view inside your body and take a look at what's going on to add value to a clinical assessment that we would usually perform as physiotherapists. So we'd get you into clinic, we'd clinically assess you, we'd then introduce diagnostic ultrasound, and that would enable us to get to the root cause of the problem so that we can treat you the best way possible.